We are here today to explore Rockyshore ecosystems and especially what types of species that are living among these rocky boulders. Actually, these rocky shores providing so many habitats and there are a lot of organisms that are living here. So let's go and have a look. Polychaete worms, also known as bristol worms, are abundant in rocky shore environment. Polychaetes have soft bodies, often with bristles on each segment that help them move. Polychaetes play an important role in marine ecosystems, including decomposition of organic matter and nutrient cycling. But unfortunately, we can't see any worms here, but these structures known as their home. Despite the harsh environmental conditions found on intertidal rocky shores, barnacles have developed amazing survival adaptations. They use one of the strongest known biocements, a protein-based adhesive, to firmly adhere to hard surfaces as sessile crustaceans. During high tide, barnacles extend specialized appendages called cirri to filter feed on plankton. When exposed at low tide, they close their calcareous blades tightly to prevent desiccation and withstand temperature fluctuations. Their ability to thrive in the intertidal zone makes them essential to coastal ecosystems, providing habitat for macrofauna and serving as prey for predators like sea stars, whales, and shorebird. Barnacles exemplify evolutionary success in extreme environments, demonstrating both resilience and ecological significance in marine ecosystems.
Crabs that live on rocky shores have amazing adaptations to survive in such a tough environment. Here are some of their key features. First one, hard shell. Their tough shell protects them from sharp rocks, predators, and rough waves. Second one, strong claws. Crabs use their claws to grab onto rocks, fight off predators, and find food in small cracks. Third one, flattened body. Some crabs have flattened bodies which help them squeeze into some small spaces to hide from predators and waves. Fourth one, sticky legs. Their legs have special grips or sticky pads to hold onto rocks even when waves crash over them. Fifth one, breathing adaptation. They can hold their breath for a long time when out of water or breathe air through tiny gaps in their shells. Sixth one, color camouflage. Crabs often match the color of rocks to stay hidden from predators like birds.
Feeding habitat of rocky shore crabs. Rocky shore crabs live and feed in areas where land meets the sea. These crabs are well suited to survive in challenging environments.
Sea urchins are commonly found in rocky shore ecosystems, including beaches, reefs, and areas with corals. The black sea urchin is a frequently observed species. Sea urchins are part of the marine ecosystem, feeding on dead organisms and helping to recycle materials.
Rocky shore snails are fascinating creatures perfectly adapted to one of the toughest habitats on Earth. Found clinging to rocks along coastlines, these snails endure crashing waves, shifting tides, and extreme temperatures. Their strong suction-like food helps them stay anchored, while their hard shells protect them from predators and desiccation. Some, like periwinkles, can seal themselves inside their shells to survive dry conditions. They play a key role in an ecosystem by grazing on algae and recycling nutrients. Next time you are by the shore, take a closer look. These tiny snails are tougher than they seem.
Oysters are marine bivalves that thrive in salty or brackish coastal waters. They are often found in the mid-intertidal zone of sheltered rocky shores and mudflats. Oysters attach themselves to hard surfaces like rocks, older shells, and other submerged objects. As oysters grow, they fuse together, forming rock-like reefs that provide habitat for other marine animals and plants. Limpets are marine snails that thrive in rocky intertidal zones, clinging to rocks with a strong foot muscle to prevent desiccation and withstand rough seas, while also playing a vital role in the ecosystem by grazing on algae. Seahawks prefer shallow coastal waters, often near rocky shores or in areas with abundant seaweed and algae growth. They tend to avoid areas with strong open ocean currents, preferring more sheltered waters.
Rockyshore fish species such as blennies, gobies, skullfins, and kelpfish thrive in the dynamic intertidal zone. These fish exhibit remarkable adaptations to survive harsh conditions like wave action, fluctuating tides, and varying salinity. Blennies and gobies have elongated bodies and strong fins for clinging to rocks, while some can breathe air during low tide. Skullfins rely on camouflage and spiny fins for defense, blending seamlessly with rocky substrates. Grasses display color-changing abilities for camouflage or communication, and some are photogeneous. Kelpfish use their slender bodies to hide among seaweed. Common adaptations include streamlined bodies for navigating currents, tide pool survival skills, and nocturnal behaviors to avoid predators. These resilient fish play a vital role in Rockyshore ecosystem, showcasing nature's ingenuity in adapting to extreme environments.
Rockyshore sea anemones are marine invertebrates commonly found attached to rocks in intertidal zones, where they endure harsh waves and changing tides. Their soft, cylindrical bodies have a central mouth surrounded by tentacles lined with specialized stinging cells called nematocysts. These tentacles help them capture prey like small fish, plankton, and crustaceans. When food touches the tentacles, the nematocysts release toxins to paralyze the prey, which is then guided into the mouth for digestion. Some species also absorb dissolved organic matter from the water. Anemones rely on their strong foot or basal disc to stay anchored to rocks. Some can slowly glide or detach and float to new locations when necessary. Additionally, many have symbiotic relationships with algae, which provide extra nutrients through photosynthesis.
On the rocky shores of Sri Lanka, you can spot a variety of fascinating shorebirds. Birds like the ruddy stone, windrill, Pacific golden plover, and common sandpiper are often seen moving quickly across the rocks, searching for food. They feed on small crabs, mollusks, and other teeny sea creatures hidden in crevices and tidal pools. These birds are well adapted to this dynamic environment with strong legs and sharp beaks, perfect for navigating the rocky surface. During migration season, some of these birds travel thousands of kilometers and stop at our shores to rest and feed. The Rockyshore is truly a lively and important habitat for these beautiful visitors.